Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Do you have this giant white box on the bottom of your screen and it's reading off the description and such? Well, it's very easy to turn off the white box right here on your Amazon Fire TV. Let's go on over to Settings, then go on down, and we want to go to Accessibilities. Now it's going to hide this option right here, but we want to scroll on over here. It's right next to Help under Controller and Bluetooth Devices. Let's go to Accessibilities. Select this, and this is called Text Banner. Now let's go to here. It says display text related to the focus item in a box with customized font, colors, and more. So let's select this, and we can simply just turn this off. Then you can go through your screen and you won't have that giant white text box anymore. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.